don't hear anything. What is this? Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to unbox together the Advent Calendar by Essence. This contains 24 products and the price is €24.95. We're going to see together what we get in this Advent Calendar and if it is worth the money. I don't usually get Advent Calendars with makeup products. Most of the times I get with little chocolate. Let me know in the comments if you like Advent Calendars and if you have a favorite one with makeup products or chocolate or whatever you like, let me know. Share this video with a friend that likes Advent Calendars. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. We have little openings on the sides of the box. I will open all of them so we can reveal the numbers and I'm going to open them in the correct order. This is number 1. Let's take it out. As I can see, everything is in small boxes and they are super cute. Okay, let's see what we have for number 1. The first one is a nail polish. It is in the shade 5 Mise Rosé and it is a mini nail polish. I have nothing on my nails. Maybe we can do something. It is a rose gold shimmery nail polish. I like the applicator. This is only with one coat. If you like this type of glittery shimmery nail polishes, this applies very nice. Let's take number 2 now. What's that? These are gift stickers. I will open them. These are super cute. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We have 24 stickers here and they are all very Christmassy. On the side we have number 3. What is that? It is a nail file. One side is for shorten your nails and the other one to shape them. It is very cute. We have a small little panda and it says I'm happy. I'm happy too. We have here number 4. Don't hear anything. What is this? Oh, it is for the hair and accessory band. They are a little bit too tight to have them for a bracelet, but I will try to use them. I never use this kind of bands for my hair. A lot of boxes. 5. Where are you, 5? Oh, I found it. It's in the corner. Ta-da! Yes, I like this one. So this is the Superlast 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil. It is in the color dark brown. This is not the correct shade for my brows, but I can try it. Maybe I can blend it. I like the formula of this one. On one side we have a twistable pencil and on the other side we have a small brush and also a sharpener. You can make the tip of the pencil all the time very thin and I like this one. I have used it again but in a different color. So this is number 6. This is the cheek and contouring brush. Oh my god, it is so tiny! The handle is a little bit small, but maybe I can make it work. I like the shape of the bristles. I didn't have this brush, so I am very interested to see if it works for me. This is number 7. This is a mini nail polish and it is the same size with this one here and they have very nice designs on them. Miss Plum Cake. I will also apply it on my nails to see how it looks. This is only one coat and it is very opaque. Number 8. Where are you? Scooby Scooby Doo. Where are you? This is a little bit heavier. This is the super rich and super soft hand cream. This is 25 milliliters and it is in the scent Winter Days Soft Hands. Okay, let's see how it smells. The packaging looks like a toothpaste. Okay, it blends very easy and it's not thick. It is a very mild scent. It smells nice. Number 9. This is Fame in a bottle. Loose glitter. Nail artifact manicure. We have here number 10. Finger and bracelet tattoos. So it's been a while that I'm not using this type of tattoos on me. So these are temporary tattoos. Next please. These are mini greeting cards. These are very cute. Let me show you what we have. We have 3 greeting cards. In this box we have everything to give presents to our friends. 12. This is a Smoothie gloss and it is sweet peach, Yeah, peach flavored non-sticky lip gloss for glossy lips, and this has a sweet peach scent. This is how it looks. I am guessing it is something like a card or stickers. These are cut out manicure stencils and you get 51 pieces and it opens like an envelope. And these are the stencils that we get. Oh, I thought we had more hearts because they are so cool. We have one more mini nail polish. This is in the color Miss Spotlight. It is like a silvery color with 2 coats. It looks like this on me. Okay, let's see what we have in 15. 5 big and 5 small brush sleeves. This is when you wash your brushes. You wear these on the top of the bristles so your brushes will dry and they will have a nice shape. I have never tried this because I always shape my bristles with my fingers after I have washed them. Let's see number 16. Oh, I love the design. This is a Kajal pencil, an eye pencil in the color white. It is very opaque and easy to blend with my finger. So maybe I can use it as a base for vibrant colors. I never use a white eye pencil in my waterline because it doesn't look very natural. I prefer something in beige, nude colors. 17. This is a lipstick. Kiss the Penguin lipstick, so cute. This is a gray lipstick. Oops, I applied on my nose. No, girl, no, it's not for the nose. Oh, it is pink! And it says that it is staining the skin. I will have it in a testing new essence video so we can see how this works and if it can last on my lips. Number 18. Ooh, a red nail polish. This is the color of Christmas. And this is again a mini nail polish and the color is Miss Santa. This is with only 1 coat and it looks very nice. My nails are very crazy today. This is a whole different design. Oh my god, I have this. This is the Super Curl Volume Mascara eye opening and it has a holiday design. It is very pretty. I have this one again. This one here and I have tried it. If you don't like very volumized and thick lashes, you can have a very nice eye-opening effect like it says with this one. I will not open it, I will keep it. Maybe I will have it for a giveaway or I will give it to a friend. I don't hear anything. We have very Christmassy holiday nail stickers and these are self-adhesive nail stickers. We have a love letter, so pretty. This is 21. I think I have this. This is the Ultra Last Instant Color in the color 8 Eternal Beauty. I don't have it, so I will open it and it is this very beautiful everyday color that I can wear all the time. 22 here and I love the colors and the design and the little hearts and everything. Oh, it is a cosmetic bag. Let's see how it looks. Hello! It is holographic and it says Happy Thoughts inside and on the other side it has the logo of Essence. This is very nice to have it in your bag. I think everything fits in here. 23, where are you? I have one more nail polish. This is the mini nail polish in the color Miss Universe and it is gold glitter. I have applied it on top of the Miss Plum Cake. This is the highlighter palette Glow to Go and it is in the color Sunkissed Glow. We have 4 highlighters. They look very nice. I will take this one here. Ooh, that's a lot of highlighter there. This is the empty box. On the bottom of the box you can see which products you have in the advent calendar, so it's not a surprise box. These are all the products from the calendar. So these are all the products from the advent calendar. I was not able to find the price for all the products. Approximately the final cost for all the products is 33 euros. I wouldn't buy a lot of these products like the nail stickers, stencils or the brush sleeves, but I don't feel that I lost my money and I am very excited about this highlighter palette because it is so beautiful on my skin. Let me know if you want to see any of the products products in a video, and I liked a lot of these products. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments if you liked this advent calendar and if you are interested in buying it or not. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!